Okay, there are quality differences among ceramic tiles. The quality of a ceramic tile depends on multiple factors, such as proper installation, water resistance, type of grout used in installation, strength of the tile, manufacturer, and finish applied. One of the main differences between tiles that determine its quality is water absorbency. There are 4 different categories of water absorptive qualities of tiles. There are non-vitreous, semi-vitreous, vitreous, and impervious. Non-vitreous absorbs 7% or more of its body weight in water. They are suited for indoor use only and considered to be non-frost resistant. Semi-vitreous absorbs between 3% to 7% of its body weight in water. They are suited for indoor use only and considered to be non-frost resistant. Vitreous absorbs between 0.5% of 3% to 3% of its body weight in water. They are suitable for both interior and exterior applications and considered to be frost resistant. Impervious absorbs between 0 to 0.5% of its body weight, which makes it the strongest tile. There are a variety of products among ceramic tiles, one being quarry tile, which is made from either natural clay or shale. Quarry tile is a similar brick in material, performance, range of colors, and methods of installation. Moisture, oil, acids, or other chemicals do not typically affect quarry tiles. Quarry is a highly durable and used both in exterior and interior applications. Mexican tile, or Mexican talavera tile, roots date back to 15th century Spain. Many of the designs and patterns can be traced back to Chinese and Philippine origins, while even older variations of this art form date back to 8th century Arab culture. During the Middle Ages, craftsmen in Italy began experimenting with glazes, and as a result, many new colors were developed. When the Italians introduced the unison of the Arab, Italian, and Asian motif during the 15th century to Spain, the Talavera ceramic was born. In turn, following the Spanish colonization of Mexico, the Spaniards introduced the new ceramic and Mexican artisans adopted it. The true beauty of Mexican talavera can only be appreciated when the tiles are placed side by side and pattern is created beautifully. Ceramic tile is made from ceramic materials like earthenware and porcelain. Tiles are simply flat slabs of material which can be used in a range of applications, including flooring, countertops, roofing, walls, and showers. There are numerous styles of ceramic tiles available. Some environmental considerations are that ceramic tile is generally considered a sustainable material in spite of high embodied energy required to produce and transportation costs to collect from the factory to the job site. It uses readily available natural materials, very durable, produces no harmful emissions, and requires very little maintenance. In order to reduce waste and energy consumption, tiles are made from post-consumer and post-industrial recyclable content. Most ceramic suppliers manufacture their products in a process that recycles raw materials and water waste back into the production cycle. Disabled considerations with ADA requirements are that ceramic tiles can be very slippery when wet, covered in grease or any other slippery substances. The coefficient of friction is used to evaluate and specify the slip resistance of floor surfaces. It measures the degree of slip resistance on a scale of 0 to 1. The higher the rating, the better slip resistance it will have. There are specific tests to accurately measure the tile's slip resistance, such as the following. ASTM F1679 measures the slip resistance of a surface when greased or oiled. ASTM F642 measures the slip resistance when the tiles are covered in hot soapy water. There are slip resistance coefficients. 0.50 is the recognized minimum criterion for slip-resistant walking surfaces in courts of the United States. Therefore, if a higher level of slip resistance is desired, the coefficient must be higher than 0.5. Some fire codes for ceramic tiles are that tiles are naturally fire resistant and will not combust. It will not release any toxic fumes or gas during a fire. When a tile has a colored glaze, the glaze may be affected by extreme heat. Ceramic tile doesn't burn nor emit toxic fumes. When a lighted cigarette is dropped on the floor, even if allowed to sit, it will not do any damage to the ceramic tile. Even hot kitchen pans or skillets will not scorch or melt the surface of glazed ceramic tiles. In addition to being fireproof, ceramic tiles have been found to provide protection for structural surfaces during fire. That would be the end of our presentation about ceramic tiles. Thank you for listening. Thank you for your time. I hope the PowerPoint and the report covered the overall ceramic tile facts, and please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.